No, you can't do it too high because it's got to fit under the car. Okay, get under there. You got to feel for a lever. You got to do it the right way. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You're taking it down. Yes, you are. You got to go to the right. There you go. Let me just show you, okay?
Why not?
Look at this. But you see what I'm talking about? Good job. You just have to do it enough to get the tire off the floor, off the ground. We're going to have to do the lug nuts.
I got it.
Okay. Put this on the end. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So which way are you going? Nope, other way. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. We're supposed to loosen that first, I think. Because look, it's just going to spin. Oh, shoot. Just hold it. Shoot. I jacked that up, didn't I? Tighten, no, go here. Tighten that, just like that. That's fine. And then you gotta go diagonal. Did you get it?
Yeah, it's inside.
Good job, bud.